Hi everyone, Ravi this side. Welcome to Engineering Adda. So in the previous video we discussed about the ngIF directive and how we can use it. In this video we are going to discuss what is ngIF directive and how we are going to use it. So ngIF directive is nothing but it is a inbuilt directive of the Angular and it is working like a if condition. So if the condition is true, then some element should be displayed, else that element should not be displayed. So let me go to the Visual Studio Code and then let me try to implement the ngIF directive. So in the last video, you might be aware that we have created this user component, and inside the user component we created this user.ts file, and after that we have created one list of users inside the user component.ts, and then in the HTML we were trying to use the ng4, and then we are accessing the each element of the user list. Okay, so let me try to this application is up. Okay, so let me try to show you how it is displaying in the browser. So you can see we have three elements inside the user list, and the user and the table is being displayed here. Okay, let me also show you inside the component.ts. So we have these three elements: John, Rahul, and Naveen. Okay, so this is how it is looking. So let me try to uh, give you a condition. So let's say if there is no element inside the user list. So in that case, I don't want to display the whole table. Okay, so how we can achieve that? So using the ngIF directive, we can achieve those things. So let me try to go to the studio. Now let me try to comment this out, all these elements. Okay, so let me try to comment it. Okay, so we have commented out all the elements inside the user list. Now let me go to the browser and then show you. So we don't have any users inside the user list, but still we are able to see this user table is being displayed and these fields are displayed. Okay, so I don't want to display these things. Then how we can remove this? So using the ngIF directive we can remove it. So let me go to the studio and then let me go to the component.html. So here you can see we have this header, and then inside the table we just implemented this fields of the table. Okay, so let me try to put a condition here. So let's say I'm going to use a division. Okay, and then let me try to cut it from here and then put it after the table. So we are just wrapping up the table inside the a div component. Okay, now let me try to put the condition here. So let's say ngIF. Okay, and then let me provide the condition here. So what I'm going to say, if the length of the user list is greater than 0, then only just display all those things. Okay, if it is not there, then don't display anything about the table. Okay, so let me try to put that condition. So it's a user dot length. If it is greater than 0, then only just display all those things. So let me try to save it and then go to the browser. So you can see we are not able to see the user table and the fields of the user table. Okay, so if we do not have any element inside the user list, then the user table is not being displayed in the browser. So that is what I was trying to say about the ngIF. So ngIF is nothing but it is let me try to go to the ngIF directive. So you can see this is a selector. Okay, and you can also read about the description of the ngIF and how we can use it. So this is about this video, guys. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe the channel for more such content. Thanks.